Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of PatPat and you will click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.